Growing melons in plastic containers is a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, juicy fruits, even if you lack garden space. Perfect for balconies, patios, or rooftops, this method is accessible and rewarding. Containers offer space efficiency, allowing you to grow melons in limited areas. They provide a controlled environment, making it easier to manage soil quality, moisture, and pests. Plus, their mobility lets you move plants to optimal conditions. Select compact, early maturing, and disease-resistant varieties. Bush sugar baby watermelons, Minnesota midget cantaloupes, and Tigger melons are excellent choices for container gardening due to their manageable size and quick growth. Choose a container with a minimum depth of 18 inches and a diameter of at least 24 inches. Ensure it has proper drainage to prevent root rot. UV-resistant plastic containers are durable and retain moisture well. Use well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Water consistently, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize regularly with a balanced or high-potassium fertilizer. Hand-pollinate flowers if needed and manage pests with natural remedies. Enjoy your homegrown melons. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.